one don't have any footrest. This one the seat don't move, and this one don't do this. The only reason you'd buy a tractor like this because you couldn't afford anything better.
So what was your first thought when a 16-year-old rolled up in a convertible and said, "Hey, can I film your combine?"
What kind of a fruitcake is this little brat? All right, well, he's interested in farming. We'll tolerate him.
You know, honestly, that's kind of what I expected.
It's kind of what I've heard from other people. It's like, well, we didn't know what to think. Well, he's a good kid. Just, he'll stay out of your way and leave you alone. He just wants to film. Yeah, I gotta put depth in it. I got it in my truck, I just haven't stopped to put it in yet. So when we go back with the truck, with the straight truck, then I'll spin around and put a jug or two in here in the tractor and come back.
Saving the environment one plastic jug and cardboard box at a time.
Well, I did get some in a 5-gallon bucket the other day, so I could reuse that. Go ahead. I can keep it on the row. Since this wasn't planted with auto steer, I don't want to try auto steer. And we'll really have a mess on our hands. Although, on the plus side, you can take this bubble off, take the markers off that planter. I don't have to worry about that next year. We never could figure out what was wrong with them. I guess I can't really complain. I keep thinking that's not doing that good of a job, but looking at what the yields are and looking at how quick we're going, it's not that bad. It's a lot better than the old one.
This combine's a lot more spacious than the old combine.
Yeah.
Lots more space. I actually stick my arm all the way out, and I actually have to lean forward about a foot or two to just touch the windshield.
Yep. I've got to come out of the seat to do that.
My toe tips can touch it, but
Try to do that without the seat there turning off the combine. It does have a nice kickstand here, so it does give you a brake.
the Harley picks.
Yeah, because normally it had the parking brake on the old one over here, so you could do that on the pedals. Well, he took the parking brake away and put it up here. I haven't even gone over all the controls. The guy showed me enough to get by, and I've figured out a little bit as I went. Yeah, there was no service alarm set. The hour meter wasn't showing, so I had to change all that. It's got every control imaginable, every page imaginable. I got it set up for instant moisture and average moisture because we're just hauling this to market. When I'm putting in the bin, I'm going to run the fan on it like crazy, but